That's very interesting. That's very broad. I didn't think that that's such a long process.
Right.
Okay. Well, I kind of understand what you do. Does anybody have any questions for Nan? Yeah.
When you bring volunteers to test the drug, would it be harmful to them? Like, would they be risking their lives? Or?
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, we do not, certainly we make, all our efforts to make sure it's safe. However, there is no guarantee. Like, even the drugs which in the market, when you go and get, they tell you there is this side effect, right? So everything has a side effect. But in the beginning, that's why we start with a small dose, with a small number of patients. We monitor them very carefully and very regularly until we are in a little bit safer. Then we go into phase 2, which with a bigger population, we can just give a bigger dose or more frequent and whatever. Good question.
What will happen if the volunteer or the animal dies?
It can happen, rarely happen, but don't forget, we do some clinical trials with patients, like I run clinical trials in cancer oncology patients. So those patients, sometimes they die because of their disease, not because of what we're giving them.
And it's okay if the rats die, if you can kill them.
No, that's okay. And then we do have insurance, big insurance, like if something happens, certainly we compensate the families or whatever, it's a big, we cannot run a clinical trial without having insurance.
Makes sense. Any other questions? Yeah?
Are there only specific people you could try the drugs on?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Are there only specific people you could try these drugs on?
Certainly, it depends on the indication. If you are developing a drug for cancer, then you do your clinical trials on cancer patients. If you're doing for a heart disease, then you do. So it depends on what what disease you are trying to develop the drug for. Especially in the beginning, you can use volunteers, which are they're normal people, but this is rare. Maybe, if it's an aspirin in vaccine or whatever. But mainly, we work with people who have diabetes, we work who have heart failure, cancer, so those are the patients that we target.
All right, one more question.
Yes. Hey,
Karen.
How old are the volunteers?
how old is what?
The volunteers.
Oh no, there is no limits. We can, if we are developing drugs for infants, then we have babies, infants use, whatever. For vaccine, I worked when we do the vaccine, which you give to babies 2, 4, 6 months of age. Then that's the group of, that's what we, we do the vaccine. Maybe we can start with older volunteers, normal people, to give the vaccine. But at some point, we have to go to the target age population that we want this drug or vaccine to work on.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time. I had no
Thank you.
idea how. Thank you.